Welcome everybody to Peeling Shrimp with CJ. You know, I was asked the question, what does a normal weekday night dinner consist of around here? Well, we're always moving and grooving here. We have 5 children up in this house, so someone's always doing sports, art, fishing, spelunking, base cliff jumping. Yeah, they do it. There's indoor leagues for that. Anyway, so I thought I'd bring you along on a normal, or in this case abnormal, weekday dinner, because weekday dinners usually consist of whatever the hell we can grab, make quickly, or buy in the drive-thru. But luckily we had some time this week, so I'm gonna go ahead and make pasta with Alfredo sauce, not fettuccine Alfredo. I can't pronounce that. Even though I'm Italian, I can't pronounce what that pasta is. It's squiggly, it looks good. And then I'm gonna do it like celebration style with peppers and asparagus and lobster and these shrimps. So I'm taking the tails off because I don't want shrimps in my, or tails on my shrimp in the mix. You know what? My director over there is shaking that head like she knows what's up. You come take these tails off and I'll film. How about that? Is that what you want? Alright. Anyway, come on back and we'll get started on this kick. Alright everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell next to it. I appreciate you coming by today. I already did our little time together, had a little talk about what we're going to do. We're doing seafood pasta Alfredo with some peppers and asparagus, and it's all gonna come together real nice. So easy peasy for a weeknight dinner when you have a hectic life. So just like we do. All right, come on back. I'm gonna show you what we're doing on the cutting board here, and then head to the stove, and we'll show you how we throw all this together. All right, come on back. All right, guys, here's the finished dish. Got the shrimps there, the lobster, asparagus, peppers in there, with our creamy Alfredo sauce. Come on back, check it out, we do it. All right, guys, we're gonna go over the ingredients for our seafood pasta Alfredo. We have some 1620 shrimp, been peeled and deveined. I'm gonna cut the tails off before I cook it. Got some lobster tails that I'm gonna cut up into cubes. Got some asparagus, some, well, I'm not even gonna lie this time, it's pre-cut peppers. Got our pasta. And for the Alfredo sauce, we got some pecorino romano. I thought we had some Parmesan, but we're gonna go with what we have. Got some whipping cream and some cracked black, of course. All right, come on back, I'll show you how we make this dish. All right, guys, we're back. We got the pasta working over there already. Got the shrimps completely shelled, deveined, detailed. We have our bell peppers already cut up. I already started working on the asparagus, so I'm gonna finish up the asparagus. I'm cutting the tips off, cutting about 2 or 3 lengths back. We're gonna cook the heck out of these because I like my asparagus cooked really, really good, really through. All right, so we're gonna do that, put this aside. Don't like that in stock stuff. We're gonna take our lobster tails, hopefully not cut ourselves. Oh yeah, get some strength in there. All right, peel this meat out. All right, I'm just gonna do one for you guys on camera. Whoa, watch them fingers. All right, I tell you, put them back. Just cubing up the lobster. This is just main lobster tails. So put it over here with the shrimp. Get that other one done. Come on back, and we'll be on the stove. All right, guys, we're back. We're on the stove. We've got the pasta working. It's almost done. I'm gonna start with our asparagus. Put that in there. Get it sauteed up. Got about a teaspoon of olive oil in there. And then I'm gonna add some cracked black to it, because you know everything's better with the cracked black. I'm gonna sweat this down a little bit, then I'm gonna add the peppers to it. I'm gonna get the vegetables cooked through, then I'm gonna add the shrimp and lobster to it. Then I'm gonna add the butter, then I'm gonna add the cream, and then I'm gonna add the cheese. And we'll see how this all comes together. Come on back. All right, boys and girls, please listen up right now. Just wanted to give you a little PSA regarding the asparagus. On this rendition, I cooked it all together and cooked it first. What I probably should have done was cook the asparagus separately and add it to the dish at the end. The asparagus took over a lot of the flavor of the whole dish. And there's a lot of flavors in this dish, and the asparagus was very prominent to it. So cook it on its own and then add it to the dish on the way out. This has been a public service announcement from G.I. Joe. Yo, Joe. All right, guys, we're back. We've got this asparagus working pretty good over here. Gonna add about half this thing of bell peppers in here, so that's probably its equivalent of 1 bell pepper, you know, just the different colors. No big deal. Yeah, a little bit more. All right, we're gonna cook this down pretty good. Come on back, and then we'll add the shrimp and lobster to it. All right, guys, we're back. I got the vegetables all kind of pretty much cooked through. I'm gonna add the shrimp and lobster now. One thing I forgot to tell you, or not tell you, but I decided to do last minute, was put a little Italian seasoning in there and a little seasoning salt. I don't want it to become bland, so along with the butter and the oil, I put the seasoning salt in there. So I'm gonna get this shrimp and lobster working in here, get them cooked through. We're gonna start working on doing the Alfredo sauce. Come on back. All right, guys, we're back. I got the butter in there. I forgot to tell you in the ingredients that I added about a stick of butter to this. You could eat this right now. This looks tasty as can be, but I'm gonna make it even tastier, and I'm gonna add some cream to it. Cream, get the $1 bills, y'all. Oh yeah. I'm gonna mix this up, let it reduce a little bit. Add a little of this pecorino romano, and I found a little Parmesan, so we're gonna throw that in there. And get it mixing and working and growing and grooving and moving. And we'll come on back and we'll plate this dish. Alright, guys, we're back. We got the dish plated up. I did it all fancy like for the thumbnail. Hope you like the way it looks. I'm not a real prepper of food like this, but you know, I want it to look good. I'm gonna dive into this. Got seafood pasta Alfredo with some veggies in it. So good. I've tried a little bit. Got some shrimp, got some lobster, got the pasta, little bell pepper, and a little asparagus. Cheers. Yep. Not bad. Not bad for a quick throw together weeknight dinner. Good stuff. I recommend making this, just like all my dishes, because they're all wonderful. I feel the camera person eye rolling like crazy over there. But it's true. They're all wonderful. All delicious. Anyway, recipes down below. Hook it up. Tell a friend. Share this with everybody. Like it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, which you should be. But if you're not, do the thing with the thing. Tired. It's been a long day. Anyway, appreciate you stopping by. And thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.